Hi guys, I'm Meena here from Krithi Car Care, and today we have one white color Jeep Compass where we did PPF almost 2+ years back. So we try to capture the feedback of customer, as to what was his experience with PPF and especially on a white car. Because this is something which we thought let's capture it. We do get inquiries from quite a few customers, especially who's having light color cars like white silver. Being very anxious as to whether they should actually apply a PPF or not. So this video might help customers to take right and well informed decisions. So please do watch out the video and the customers' feedback and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
I knew about Krithi 2 years ago after reviewing a lot of comments in Google and a lot of recommendations from Team BHP members. So once I bought my car, I was searching for a better detailing and PPF guys who do it better way. So from TBHP, a lot of members recommended Krithi, so I wanted to check them and I visited a couple of other dealers in Bangalore, but I was not satisfied with the workplace uh, and the expertise what they had, and even the pictures what they were showing, it was clear that it was not done by them. They're just project sharing the pics from other countries. So I came down to Krithi personally and met KP and Meena, got all the details. What has to be done and what do they require from me before I hand off the car to them. They explained everything in detail, and I even told them like this is a white car, and they even suggested that generally no one does PPF coating on white car, but the way I use the car and the places I park, I thought I won't be maintaining the car in the same color after maybe a couple of years. So I wanted to make sure I protect the car properly. I said even if it's a white color, I want to proceed with a PPF and do the ceramic coating to the glass area. So even the price, I didn't bother on the price, but even compared to the others in the market, I felt it was reasonable. And it's again up to the user's choice whether how they want to maintain the car, whether they want to get the work done in good quality, or they just compromise on the price and get away with cheaper quality work. So I didn't want to compromise on that, and took a leap on that, and I chose Krithi to do the PPF coating. And it's been almost 2 years now. You can see the car. It's still holding its natural or the original color. There was few issues with the paint, as is with the general Tata and Jeep paint shop. So they pointed out those and tried to rectify a few of them. Some of them were cured, and some of them couldn't be. Either I have to do a repaint, so which I didn't want to do. I said, let's go with just wrapping it. And past 2 years, I didn't have any complaints with them. And whenever I feel I'm not able to clean it completely, and or I need a proper detailing to be done, I can come down here. Even during the lockdown days, I used to check with them when they are open, when is the staff available. I used to check with them and book an appointment and get the work done. So, and every time I used to get the cleaning and detailing done within a day, and or even if it's only the cleaning, I used to get it within an hour or two. And later on they start, earlier they were in the HBR layout, and now they are moved near Manyata, where they have a bigger workshop, and they have done, they have opened doing the wheel alignment and wheel balancing, which even I've got it done for once. So happy with the service what Krithi has provided. And I would recommend others also to check all the reviews and maybe come down, visit the place, understand what is being done. And yeah, it's again money worth spent on this. I don't have any regrets choosing Krithi. Thanks.